Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to set dark mode on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then here select dark option and dark mode be immediately applied. If you want to customize dark mode settings, click on dark mode settings here, and here you can click on turn on schedule option, so you can set sunset to sunrise. Automatically sunset timing and sunrise timing will be directed by your phone, and during that time dark mode will be applied automatically. Or you can set your own timing using custom schedule. Click on custom schedule and here set schedule. Click on set schedule. Here click on start and set your own time. Here I would like to set 6:02 p.m. and click on end. Here you can set end timing. Here I would like to set end timing as 5:57 a.m. So between 6:02 p.m. and 5:57 a.m. on next day dark mode be applied. Okay, on all other times normal mode will appear in your phone. So in this way you can easily also do some customization for dark mode. Suppose if you want to set dark mode immediately, you go to turn on scheduled option and you go to click on dark mode. Okay, if you don't want dark mode, click on light. So in this way you can easily set dark mode and customize dark mode settings as per your desire. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.